What's up, Internet? Edgar coming to you today for a story. I do want to let you know the reason there was no video last week is because I got sick due to zinc poisoning from the galvanized pipe that I used upon my forge at the bottom for the air inlets. It was bad. I had metal taste. It's gone now. It's been a week. I had fevers, nightmares, all kinds of other terrible things that I would never wish on anyone. And because of that, people at my work, specifically this one girl in general, told me that now I have to wear a respirator whenever I am using my forge. So I will be, but that's because I don't want her to fight me, because gentlemen and stuff. But also, update to this, I've changed the channel name to Modern Knight. We'll be doing everything that it is to be the current day warrior gentleman, from martial arts to combat tactics, to running parties, being able to speak with others, leading others, building all kinds of things. Eventually my own keep. Today's project is actually going to be a pull-up station for the P90X videos, because I found out the majority of what you need to do is free weights, body weight exercises for push-ups. We have some concrete over here. There's a step that I can use for any sort of tricep dips. And the most important thing is the pull-ups. So that's the only thing that I truly need to build, and it is going to be built to an adjustment of height. For myself, with my arms fully extended, is a total of 7 feet. But in case someone who is shorter than myself wishes to use it, the other height will be at 6 foot. If need be, you can hop up on it and all that good stuff. Get a chair. What this consists of is a 2x4, a 2x6, two 2-foot by 2-foot plywood sheets that are 5 layers thick, two 3/4 inch round by 12 inch long steel pipes, and one 1 inch by 36 inches long black steel pipe. None of this is galvanized, so there's no need to worry about any sort of zinc poisoning happening again. We're going to get right into it. As I don't know if you can tell this, but right now I'm just wearing some casual clothes. I'm about to get changed. We're about to get this started now. Hopefully get it done before the day is done. I did have to start later in the day because unfortunately it was very, very hot. I understand that other places get hotter. This is Colorado, and it got up to like 99 degrees in this specific area, so I could not really work. We're gonna get to it though, so get your glasses and let's go. So, first things first, I looked on YouTube to see if anyone else had done this. I couldn't find it. I could very well be wrong. So, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and build what I have in mind. Alright, so I think my phone may have given out. But what I did is I drilled the first hole, which is where this is going to fit in through. It's a bit at an angle, but I can still make it work. See that angle? Now the internal diameter is 3/4 of an inch. The external diameter I had to go with 1 1/8 of an inch. Next part is cutting those. As you can see, it's now been screwed in. Single one just to kind of hold it. Hole is kind of jacked up. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick test fit. To do a little bit of fixer-upper on this one. So the hole's a little messed up. As you can see, there's the bottom one going through the center. Top one also going through the center, but if you notice, hole's a little wonky. Next part, gonna have to put a few more screws in across the center, then put up the 2x4 or the 2x6 as additional support on front of this one. Alright, so I had to complete this one on day 2, but here it is. I'm going to have to, do some sanding and stuff, but this is the essence of what it is. Now, admittingly, my pipes are all wrong. Now the hole that one went through is next to perfect. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to basically recreate that with the 2x4 that goes behind it. But as you can see, it's not very much. It can only support about 250 pounds. So unfortunately I can't really do pull-ups on that one either, and I'm not strong enough. So I'm going to be using the bands, like those elastic bands, to put there while I can, sit on my knees, have like a mat or something underneath me, and we'll be good to go. Signing out for today.